Magandang umaga mga ka-Preach It. Let's have a real talk, but this real talk will definitely give us a good perspective in life that will keep us away from danger and self-destruction. Because there is a way to self-destruct without the aid of the enemy or without the aid of other people, but you just self-destruct when you walk this path. Ano yon? Sabi dito, I want to open, of course, definitely, I take this from Scripture, Proverbs 16:17. The highway of the upright is to depart from evil. He that keepeth his way preserveth his soul. Pride goeth, and haughty spirit before the fall. So if we want, sabi nga, if we want to preserve our way, it is so important that we are upright. But ito po yung tinatawag na pitfalls, the little things, the small things that can be our pitfall if we are not aware. Bakit? Because sabi dito, pride goes before destruction. So it is so clear. It means it is a state of being proud, o yung tinatawag na excessive appreciation of one's worth or virtue. Yun naman tinatawag na haughtiness, ang tinatawag yung an attitude that is showing superiority, no? So para bagang ganito, ang pride equivalent siya doon sa nakakita ka ng karatula, sabi, don't cross the line because when you cross the line there is 10,000 volts electricity. 'Di ba? Sino bang mabubuhay sa 10,000 watts or whatever or ano? Patay talaga. So ganun din 'yon. The moment you spot this in your heart, you know that you're headed to destruction. That's why immediately you should be able to get out of this. So ano ba 'yon? Ano ba yung pride? It hardens a person's heart and blinds your proper perspective of people and situation. It harbors resentment, anger, and hatred. You become so self-indulgent in the pity party, isolating yourself, thus only seeing the bad and evil in people and person. It adds unnecessary loads, burdens, and cares because you become blind-sighted of the good in life. It affects also the people around and closest to you because of tainted perspective. It will cause you to dry up and wither away. It can lead to generational bondage because it is first a spirit that also carries life of its own, which can be transferred to the next generation. Kaya makikita mo, mga anak-anak na ay nag-aaway pa, nagsimula yung away doon sa mga magulang, dumaloy pa sa mga anak-anak. Why? Because it becomes a generational conflict because of pride. Pride is the enemy's silent and subtle weapon to trap you into a never-ending cycle of decay, decline, defeat, and sad spiritual death. Pride is evil. It is a precursor or a prelude to destruction. So any moment that you sense this, it's not, sabi nga, it doesn't pay you well. It's not worth it to keep this to yourself. Why? Because the Bible is clear that pride goeth before destruction. It is a prelude. It is a precursor. So you would not want that. That's why, mga ka-preach it, talagang we are in this environment, stressful environment whereby we can easily engage ourselves, but it is not worth it. Why? Because it will stress us out, it will burden us, it is an unnecessary load, and worse, it can eat up your health. Mga ka-preach it, simply lang po ito. But I believe that every man has some form of pride. Ano yun? I'm proud that I'm a child of God. Yun magandang pride. I'm proud that I'm a daughter of God. But pride that will lead to destruction is dangerous. Good day, and God bless you all.